In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add dividers in MailerLite emails so you can create clean, organized newsletters that are much easier for your subscribers to read. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and using dividers is a simple way to give your emails a professional, structured look without any coding or design experience. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account. Open your preferred browser and head over to the MailerLite website. Click the login button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your MailerLite dashboard, which is your command center for managing subscribers, campaigns, and everything else. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, just complete that step as usual and you'll be ready to move forward. Now look over to the left side of your screen at the navigation menu. You'll see several options including campaigns, subscribers, and forms. Go ahead and click on campaigns. This will take you to a list of all your existing email campaigns, whether they're drafts, sent, or scheduled. Scroll through until you find the specific campaign you want to edit, then click the Continue Editing button next to it. If you're starting a brand new campaign, you can create one first, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you have an existing email you want to improve with dividers. Once you're inside the campaign editor, you'll see a summary of your email settings. Look for the button that says Edit Content, usually located near the preview of your email design. Click that and the drag and drop email editor will open. This is where the magic happens. Give the editor a moment to load all your content blocks and layout. You'll see your current email displayed in the center with all the text, images, and buttons you've already added. Take a second to review what you have so far and decide where you want to place your divider. Dividers are perfect for separating major sections, like between a welcome message and a product announcement, or between two different articles in a newsletter. Identify the exact spot where a visual break will improve the flow and readability. Now look at the left sidebar of the editor. You'll see a tab labeled Elements. Click on it, and a panel will open showing all the content elements you can add to your email, including text, images, buttons, and of course the divider. Scroll through the list until you find the divider element. It's usually represented by a thin horizontal line icon. Take a moment to notice its placement options. Dividers are designed to sit between other content blocks, so they work best when you already have sections above and below them. A common pitfall beginners run into is placing a divider at the very top or bottom of an email, which doesn't add much value. Instead, think of it as a visual separator that helps your reader understand when one topic ends and another begins. To add the divider, simply click and hold the divider element with your mouse or trackpad. Then drag it directly into your email layout, positioning it between the two sections you want to separate. You'll see a highlighted drop zone appear as you hover over the right spot. Release the mouse button, and the divider will snap into place. At this point, confirm that it's exactly where you intended. If it's not quite right, don't worry, you can always drag it again to reposition it later. Next, you'll want to customize the divider to match your email style. Click directly on the divider in your layout, and a settings panel will appear, usually on the right side of the editor. Depending on your MailerLite plan, you may have options to adjust the divider style, such as choosing between a solid line, a dashed line, or even a dotted line. You can also modify the width, making the line full width or shorter to create a more subtle break. One of the most important settings is the spacing above and below the divider. Increasing the spacing gives your content room to breathe and prevents the email from looking cramped. A good rule of thumb is to add at least 10 to 15 pixels of padding on both sides so the divider stands out without overwhelming the text. Take a moment to review the divider's appearance within your email. If the color clashes with your brand, see if there's a color picker available to match it to your palette. Make any necessary changes until it looks just right. With the divider in place and customized, it's time to review the overall email layout. Scroll through your email from top to bottom, paying close attention to how the divider separates your content sections. Ask yourself if the spacing looks balanced. Does the divider make the email easier to scan? Are the sections clearly distinct from one another? A well-placed divider should guide the reader's eye naturally down the page. If something feels off, you can always click and drag the divider to a new position or adjust the spacing again. This is your chance to fine-tune the design before your subscribers see it. Finally, once you're happy with the layout, save your progress. Look in the upper right corner of the editor and click the button that says Done Editing. MailerLite will automatically save all your changes, including the new divider and any customizations you made. It may take a second or two, so give it a moment. After that, you can preview your email by clicking the preview button to see exactly how it will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. If everything looks great, you're all set to move forward with sending or scheduling your campaign. To recap, you've just learned how to add dividers in MailerLite emails, giving your newsletters a clean, organized structure that makes your content more inviting to read. Dividers are a small design element with a big impact, helping you separate topics and improve readability with almost no effort. As a next step, try experimenting with different divider styles and spacing in your future campaigns, and you'll quickly develop an eye for what works best. If you need a refresher later, feel free to come back to this video and follow along again. Thanks so much for watching and happy email building.